A car travels 5 kilometers east, then 5 kilometers back. It moved 10 kilometers, but where did it end up? Speed measures how much ground you cover. Speed equals distance over time, and it is always positive. Velocity cares about where you end up. Displacement is your change in position, so velocity can be zero or even negative. A ball moving in a circle has constant speed, but its velocity keeps changing because the direction changes. Students often confuse these in exams. Remember, speed is how fast, velocity is how fast and which way. Both use meters per second or kilometers per hour. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.